going on, y'all? It's Shakira Request with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from Brennas wig, and let me tell you, I was really feeling this wig. I thought I wasn't going to from the pictures on the website, but man, after putting it on, it was over. So let's get into the video. So this is how the wig will come packaged in this beautiful box, and inside the wig box you are going to be receiving some eyelashes, a resistance band, as well as the wig in its bag, and a standard wig cap. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the bag. So this is the construction of the wig. You're going to see that T lace on the top, as well as 4 combs within this wig. And this is how the parting looks straight out of the package. So now I'm just putting on the wig just to see how it fits with my head shape. So the hair is really soft, and I can tell the curls are actually really pretty. But the first step I'm going to do is bleach the knots. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder with the 30 Volume Developer. I have a bowl and a brush. This is how I place that mixture on the lace of the wig. So it's a little brassy, so what I'm going to do is go in with the Shimmer and Light shampoo and conditioner to get rid of that brassiness. And this is just showing you how I'm just placing it over the lace of this wig. So I'm going in with the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. It felt so smooth with this conditioner in this hair. And this is how the lace looks afterwards. So I'm really not the best when it comes to customizing the wig, but right now I just thought I need to just pluck it because the hairline is pretty thick. I don't have much lace to actually go with to pluck, so I have to be careful of how much I'm plucking, but I just wanted to give it some natural looking scalp before I actually put it on my head. So within me plucking, I'm just making sure that I kept my spray bottle handy so that I can spray the hair and brush it back and just get rid of all that hair that actually did fall out. So when it came to plucking this hair, I wasn't really too concerned of how it looked, more so on the side, just because the hair was going to cover it anyways. And like I said before, like there wasn't a lot of lace to even really pluck the hair with. So with my hair, I'm just gelling back my hair with the Got To Be Ultra Glue Styling Gel. I'm not wearing a wig cap because the wig construction is like really close to my hairline. So I thought that I can just put it on without the wig cap. So in the inside of this wig, I did go ahead and use my foundation that I had, and I just brushed it inside where the lace was showing just so that it can match my skin tone better. So right now I'm just trying to get a feel of where I need to place the gel on my hair, because I am going to be using that Got To Be glue gel that I used to push back my hair. So I'm using that same gel because I'm not going to be keeping this wig on for long. So with using the gel, I'm not really concerned that my hair is going to be affected too much because of the fact that I'm using a gel and not a glue. So all I need to do is just wash it off. So right now I'm just placing the wig on top of my hair. I'm actually trying to align it with where I put the gel at. And I give you a little leeway doing it with gel because you have a little bit more time to place it on and fix it if you need to, because it doesn't dry up as quickly. So now that I have the lace on top of the gel where I wanted it, I'm just pressing that lace into that gel before I cover it up. To secure it even more, I'm going in with the Got To Be Freeze spray. Y'all, I went crazy with this spray, like just everywhere on the hair and the lace. So to melt my lace, I'm going to be using a resistance band just to cover it up and to keep it nice and tight while it dries. So right now I'm just cutting the lace, and like I said, y'all see how I went crazy with that Got To Be Freeze spray. So I'm just going to be lifting the lace up just to put it back to the hairline where I want it before I cut it. And this part didn't hurt at all. So with cutting the lace, I am just doing zigzag motions to cut the lace. Any parts that I did miss within cutting that first part, I'm just going back in and zigzagging again with my scissors. And I will be doing the same thing for the sides. So I'm just cutting where my ear is. Because the lace was so short, it was really hard for me to get it like perfectly cutting around my ear. So I just had to leave a little bit of some because the tracks were going to be behind that. So I'm going back in with that Got To Be Freeze spray on top of the remaining lace. And y'all already know how crazy I am with this spray. You can just see it dripping over my face and stuff. So I'm cleaning it up with a paper towel. Then going in with a resistant band to hold it in place. Once that's completely dry, I'm gonna take it off and look. The lace looks good. Good job, girl. Going in with a Q-tip and alcohol just to remove the remaining Got To Be Freeze spray along that lace line. So right now I'm just combing through the hairline because the Got To Be Free spray did get on the hair. So I'm just combing it out to make it more fluffy again. I'm going to create baby hair. I am not the best at making baby hair, but I was like, let me give it a try. So I had cut the baby hair before, but it was too long for me. So I was like, let me just cut it a little bit shorter and see if it looks better that way. So right now I'm just curling the baby hair backwards, and then I'm going to set the baby hair. To lay the baby hair, I'm using the Tresemme mousse. Yeah, I was trying my best to make these baby hairs look presentable. And finally I was at a point I was like, you know what, this is good enough. So one last time, I am putting that resistant band back on just to hold everything in place. So I was pretty content of how the baby hair came out. I'm just brushing the hair down, just trying to see how the hair looks now. I actually liked it really fluffy like this. And I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to blend in the lace with my skin. And it's blending really good, so I was happy for that. So the wax I'm using is the Care wax, and I'm just placing that within the part of the hair so that I can go in with a hot comb. This is actually my first time ever using a hot comb, and I'm just going over where I put the wax at. And I've been missing out because the hot combs are the truth. So I'm just making sure that I'm keep going over and over on this hair because I want that part to be flat. So I'm going in again with the Tresemme mousse just to define the curls. After seeing the definition of the curls come through on this wig, Assisted was feeling cute. So now I'm going in just to trim the hair to frame my face. I'm going back in with that micro smooth powder from Sephora, and just look how it's just blending in that lace. Like, it looks like my scalp. And then I'm gonna just make it a little bit more messy so it's not like too perfect of a scalp, but it actually blends in better. This is the final look of this wig. What do y'all think? I love it. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and tune again for another one. Bye.